का समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहद कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati here and I hope you guys are doing well. So the lockdown period has been extended until the 3rd of May and now all we can do is to stay safe at our homes and abide by the protocols laid down by the government. Taking note of this, we will keep bringing forth the latest events and changes taking place in the world of astrology. This way you will not be missing out on any of the latest updates. So today I'm here with a very special video. I'll be talking about the transit of Mercury, which will be changing places and moving into the zodiac sign Aries. So the Mercury transit in Aries will take place on 25th of April. Early in the morning at 2:26 am, it will exit the zodiac sign Pisces to enter the zodiac sign of Mars. This means that Aries is the sign which comes under the lordship of Mars. This position will remain intact until the 9th of May. After this, it will move on to the next sign of the zodiac circle, which is Taurus. So what possible changes can this transit bring to your lives? Keep watching the video to know the updates and find out how will it impact your life. Let us get going with the transit predictions. First of all, we'll talk about Aries, the first sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Mercury is the lord of the 10th and 6th houses of Aries natives, and it is moving to enter the zodiac sign, thereby getting posited in your first house. With the placement of the lord of your third house in your ascendant, your confidence and your strength will grow and you will be seen making more efforts at this particular point of time. Your decision-making skills in making yourself successful will develop. Any decision that you make at this period of time will prove to be significant for your future. However, you need to avoid falling prey to the vice of overconfidence and choose your words wisely while talking to anyone. You will also receive the support of your siblings in this transit period and they will be ready to step in with any kind of help that you need. The love and affection between you and your siblings will grow. On the other hand, as Mercury is also the lord of your 6th house, its placement in your first house can bring a decline in your health. You may be troubled with some skin-related diseases. You may suffer from some allergies as well as nerve disorders. So, prioritize your health over all the other things and try to take good care of it. In the meantime, this Mercury transit in Aries will also prove to be favorable for your marital life. Romance in your relationship will grow. You and your spouse will talk to each other openly, thereby resolving all the differences that persisted between you. As a result, your connection will improve. On the whole, this transit will be essential in establishing your bond after your marriage properly. However, natives need to exercise control and caution in terms of their business, otherwise their trade ventures can move in the wrong direction. As a remedy, you should keep fasts on Wednesdays. Next in line is Taurus, the second sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So the lord of your 2nd and 5th houses, Mercury, is making its transit through Aries and will thereby enter the 12th house of Taurus natives. This planetary movement is likely to bring mixed results for natives. On the one hand, the influence of Mercury transit in Aries will cause an increase in your expenses. As a result, you may even end up spending your accumulated wealth on specific tasks. Simultaneously, student natives of this sign will also be seen making good progress and receiving some good news in this duration. Taurus natives will accomplish all of their tasks with great intellect and wisdom, as a result of which you will earn name and fame in the society. Many of you will also make a significant investment in your business right now, which will prove to be very helpful for your future. On another note, this transit will not be much favorable for the love life of natives. Thus, you need to remain a bit careful. You may experience a distance of miles with your beloved due to some work. However, your communication abilities will continue as usual and you will be seen maintaining contact with them, and this will definitely help you to keep your relationship alive. You will need to necessarily keep an eye on your expenses in this transit period, otherwise it is likely to negatively affect your financial health. Avoid getting into any kinds of unnecessary disputes or you may end up paying for it. The health of Taurus natives will remain on the weaker side during this transit duration. As a remedy, you should wear the Charmukhi or the four-faced Rudraksha to keep yourself favorable during the transit of Mercury. Moving on, let us now talk about Gemini natives. So the Mercury transit in Aries is very significant for Gemini natives because the planet is the ruling lord of your sign. During this transit, it will be posited in your 11th house of income and profits. As a result, this planetary movement will prove to be very promising for the natives. Its influence will bring strength to your speech. With the help of wisdom and intellect, you will be able to accumulate a sufficient amount of wealth. Your relations with your seniors will improve right now. Moreover, an improvement will also be seen in your communication skills, which will help you reap benefits of the same at your workplace. This transitory movement will also prove to be favorable for Gemini natives in terms of love and romance. You will be able to impress your beloved with your words, which will bring a new energy to your love life. In this duration, you will also successfully accomplish several of your pending tasks, which will give a boost to your self-confidence. In turn, it will also cause an expansion in your social ties. Moreover, you will gain status amongst the people, and one or more of your plans are also likely to succeed now. On the whole, this transit of Mercury in Aries is here to bring prosperity on the financial front for Gemini natives. So as a remedy, you are advised to establish a yantra or wear gemstones which are associated with the planet Mercury. Next in line is Cancer, the fourth sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Mercury is the lord of the 12th and the 3rd houses of Cancer natives, and with its transit into its exalted sign Aries, it will get posited in your 10th house. Also, this particular house is known as the house of your karma, as it signifies your career. Because of this Mercury transit in Aries, Cancer natives can expect many ups and downs in their professional life. On the one hand, you will successfully bring an enhancement to your work with your efforts, which will garner you praises and affections. All of your colleagues will stand by your side in your support, which will strengthen your fraternal bonds. You will be enjoying your work immensely at this period of time. However, on the other hand, there are also yogas of a certain and sudden transfer in your workplace. You will need to pay attention to the same. The duration requires you to inspect your tasks immunely and minutely. Therefore, you need to work very carefully and double check everything that you do. You need to remember that during this transit, your workload will be substantial and you will feel low-spirited at times. In such a situation, instead of losing hope, you need to redouble your efforts and accomplish your tasks very splendidly. On a more positive note, this transit motion will bring joy and bliss in the family of Cancer natives. The health of your parents will remain strong and you will receive the support of members of your household. Besides, your younger siblings will help you out in your professional life, and your relations with your father will also improve further. Predictions indicate a gradual increase in the trade of Cancerians as you arise in the form of a successful business person right now. You also need to utilize this duration and strengthen things at your workplace. A special remedy for Cancer natives, you are advised to donate black sesame seeds at a place of pilgrimage or temples during Wednesday evenings. If we talk of Leo natives, then the transit of Mercury in Aries will take place in the 9th house of Leo natives. This house signifies your fortunes as well as informs you about your journeys to faraway places. The lord of your 2nd and 11th houses is entering your 9th house. Thus, it will strengthen your economic front and also help your finances to flourish. The influence of this transit will help you accomplish your pending tasks. You will also succeed in attaining those which you were facing obstacles in earlier. Assignments that you were hesitating in taking into your hands, you will start getting them executed, and also you will acquire success in your efforts. There are also indications that many Leo natives will expand their ancestral business. In contrast, working professionals are also likely to incur favorable outcomes in their professional life. The influence of this transitory motion will improve your relations with your siblings, and you will not hesitate in sharing your heartfelt emotions with them. This duration will bring an increase in your decision-making and striving skills as well as your communication skills. The latter is also likely to bring many benefits for Cancer natives as you earn name, fame, respect and recognition in the society. As a remedy, you are advised to water trees and plants on Wednesdays. Next in line is Virgo. As Mercury is the ruling lord of the zodiac sign Virgo, this transit will prove to be very essential for you guys. It is also the ruling lord of your 10th house, known as the house of your karma, and it will be entering your 8th house during its transitory motion. In general, the 8th house is not considered to be a very promising position for a planet. However, for Mercury, it is said to be a favorable one. In such a situation, the planetary movement will bring mixed results for Virgo natives. You will have to face some ups and downs at your workplace, and many of you can even feel that your efforts are not adequately succeeding. As a result, you are likely to find your focus scattered to the winds. The movement of the Lord of your sign to its 8th house will also create some health issues for Virgo natives as you experience a decline in the same. However, Lord Mercury will also bring in several modes of increase in your current salary. You can also receive some unexpected monetary gains right now. With the help of your wisdom and intellect, some of you can also accumulate wealth through some secret methods. On the flip side, natives who have a favorably placed Mercury in their birth chart can look forward to positive outcomes in their professional life. Unexpected journeys are also on the cards for many. You are advised to maintain a vigil on your father's health throughout this time. As a remedy, you are advised to chant the Mercury Beej mantra regularly. Moving on, let us now talk about Libra native. So Mercury is the dear friend of Venus, the ruling lord of your zodiac sign, also the lord of your 9th and 10th houses. With this planetary movement, it will move to enter your 7th house, which will bring many different results. In general, this Mercury transit in Aries will be favorable for you as it will be bringing progress in your business and also definitely provide you with efforts and opportunities to expand your trade. Fate will favor you ultimately and you will thrive even in those fields where you had no such expectations. You will establish some contacts with foreign sources and they will also prove to be beneficial for you in the future. Unmarried natives of this sign have strong yogas of marriage forming right now. In addition to this, a certain sweetness will blend into your words, making your speech more pleasant. The attraction in your personality will grow, which will impress the people surrounding you. In addition to this, your decision-making skills and your intellect will also dazzle others. Some of them can even ask for your help in some significant tasks. Your popularity in society will increase and you will move forward on the path of progress. As a remedy, you should soak some Vidhara root in your bathing water and use the same water to take bath on Wednesdays. Now we'll talk about the fate of Scorpio natives. So the 6th house of Scorpio natives will host the transit of Mercury. The dualistic planet is the lord of your 8th and 11th houses. Thus, its movement into your 6th house will not be favorable for you. Natives are likely to suffer from some health issues as a result of the same. Some discoloration of the skin is indicated, therefore you are advised to observe as many precautions as you can. In addition to this, getting into debates is likely to cause some problems for Scorpio natives. There are also possibilities for an increase in your expenses. If you do not put a hold on your spendings, troubles are inevitable. You can also face a decline in your income at this period of time, thereby leading to some grave economic problems. Due to some reasons, Scorpio natives may also have to borrow some money from someone. You will put in efforts in this direction and also remain unbeaten in this time, although this will help you to accomplish your pending task. However, you should continue to strive for the repayment of the debts. This Mercury transit in Aries will also influence your relations with your senior officials at office. Therefore, you need to specially keep an eye on this, otherwise problems at your workplace will increase. As a remedy, you are advised to feed green fodder to the cow if you are in a position to step out of your house and help the animals. Moving on, for Sagittarius natives, Mercury is the lord of the 7th and 10th houses. Thus, it has lordship over your professional life, your spouse, as well as your business. As a result, this Mercury transit in Aries will be significant for the natives belonging to this sign. The movement of the planet in your 5th house will prove to be vital in continuous growth in your income and also help you to move your plans forward. Not only this, you can also look forward to significant profits in your business. You will continue to make progress, prevailing over the entire competition in the market, and your work will be praised. If you work for a big reputable brand, then it will gain more fame and you will benefit through its promotion. Moreover, you will also be able to further improve your marketing strategy. This duration will help you get in touch with esteemed business people. On the other hand, working professionals of this sign need to exercise caution in this duration. There are indications of you losing your job right now. However, yogas of another opportunity will also soon form afterwards. Your spouse will receive the benefits of this transit period. If they are working professionals, then they can look forward to a promotion right now. Otherwise, they will gain profits through some other mode. Simultaneously, the student natives of this sign will find themselves involved in their studies and they will also take interest in learning many new things. Married natives will also receive positive results. They will get enough time to spend with their partners, and then because of this, their relationship will flourish. As a remedy, you should worship Lord Moon or Chandradev every day. Next in line is Capricorn. So Mercury is the lord of the house of fortune as well as the 6th house of Capricorn natives. During its transitory motion, it will move into your 4th house of happiness. Thus, as a result of this Mercury transit in Aries, natives will receive many comforts and amenities. Happiness will prevail in your household and the health of your parents will remain stable. However, you need to remain careful as you may fall prey to certain accidents. You also need to steer clear of any property related disputes because they will be negatively influencing your family life. This planetary movement will also improve things in your professional life and you will soon become the expert at your work. Any ongoing legal case can be decided in your favor, bringing you much relief and happiness. One of your ideas can garner many praises from the people around you. As a remedy, you are advised to wear the Vidhara root in order to receive blessings from planet Mercury. So we have arrived at the second last sign of the zodiac circle, which is Aquarius. So the transit of Mercury is taking place in the 3rd house of Aquarius natives, which as per the Kalpurush Kundli is the house of the dualistic planet itself. As a result, Mercury will remain strengthened and offer you promising results all throughout this transit duration. As the planet, being the ruling lord of your 5th and 8th houses, enters your 3rd house, Aquarius natives can expect favorable results in the field of education. Also, this planetary movement will not bring an auspicious time for your siblings as they may face some problems in this duration. On the contrary, it will be beneficial for you as there are indications of an increase in your salary. Married natives of this sign will benefit through their children as they will gradually progress in their respective fields. Happy tidings may reach to you through social media and modes of communication. You can find yourself getting inclined towards writing at this period of time and you will take this hobby of yours forward. You may even befriend some new people during this period of time. Not only this, your alliance with your neighbors and relatives will also improve considering the fact that all of us are amidst a national lockdown. Your colleagues will also behave in a friendly manner with you. This will definitely help you out in excelling in your professional life. As a remedy, you are advised to feed whole green moong lentils to cows on Wednesdays if at all it is possible. Last but not the least, we will be talking about Pisces natives. So Mercury is the lord of your 4th and 7th houses. During its transitory motion, it will enter your 2nd house. Due to the influence of this Mercury planet, the attraction in your speech will increase. However, you will also be seen reacting instantly and sharply. This means that if somebody says something, you will immediately respond to it, which you may end up regretting later. Thus, mind your words before speaking because it can lead to things that were moving in the right direction to go wrong. As for the business persons of this sign, this transit will be favorable. With the help of your foresight and new strategies, you will be able to give a new speed to your trade. Coming to the influence of this transit movement on your marital life, your spouse will become more dedicated towards your family, which will bring you immense happiness. However, there can be some decline in their health, thus you need to take proper care of them. Your family income will increase and some property related matters are also likely to bring you profits. Pisces natives who are associated with your financial front will remain stable all throughout this time. Your entire kith and kin will work in collaboration towards the betterment of the family. So as a remedy, you are advised to dress up goddess Radha and then worship her on Wednesdays. So this was all you need to know about the Mercury transit in Aries and how will it impact your life. So I hope that you have liked this video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.